Hey YouTube, Jason here again with Day Trading Fearless. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. So as always, let's jump right into it. Today we're going to talk about if you're using Thinkorswim, how to set up the today 3-minute market profile chart, which is this chart. So let's expand this. And what I use is today, the 3-minute today only. So you'll see today's the interval is today, right? Aggression period is 3 minutes. And then if you go into the studies, what I use are multiple different things. I'll use the VWAP, just standard settings. Okay, so I just will add the VWAP. The second thing is these are special codes, 50% level, which is this. So let me back up. This purple line is the VWAP. It's the VWAP for today only based on the 3-minute chart. This magenta line, or what turquoise, still trying to learn my colors, but this turquoise is the 50% level, okay, from the high to the low for the day. Next is my waterfall code, and essentially all the waterfall code is it's showing every time price breaks, like after we're in a trend, right? So we're making lower highs, uh, lower high, lower high, lower high. The candle that actually breaks above the first candle after a series, I believe it's 3 or more. Sometimes it'll work well, sometimes it won't. Is a code, but it'll actually color the code or the candle for you. So I just know that, hey, look, we've had a series of downward. It'll actually signal a trigger. It'll color the candle white. So it is kind of helpful to know, hey, we're in a downtrend. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right, candles. And then this candle, but it didn't go. And again, it doesn't work all the time, but it's something that does work, kind of somewhat valuable. Next is my small dog fibs, okay, and this is what this is these are the Fibonacci from high to low, 0, 100, right, or 100, 0, the 38, the 50, 61, 8. So those are the settings and what I use. So right here, do I want them on the sideline or run all the way across? Yes. And then I just show which ones I want. So you can see I uncheck the 23. I check plot for the 38, 50, 61, and then I uncheck. So I only want to see those 3 because those are the only 3 that I personally find relevant for this chart. So then finally is we have our volume profile. So if you just come over to the search, volume profile, okay, just click on that. And then these are my settings. I'll go through them all. The first one is custom. Custom row height is 0.2. My third is time per profile chart. My multiplier is 1. On expansion is no. Profiles back is 10. Show point of control, no. Show value area, yes. And then value area percent is 70%. So 70% of all the volume is within the value area high and low. And then the opacity is just how do I want this background shaded more or less. I have that at 17. Now down here, I select point of control. I have it at 5 and I have it white and I say show plot and show bubble. The bubble will be here and this is the plot, right? This white line is the plot. My profile high is show plot. My profile low, show plot, and then the value area high and low are show plot bubbles right here, and then value area high and low. So in these up here, profile high and low are these stacked lines right here. So I hope that helps. This is the way I set up my today only 3-minute market profile chart. I will leave a link to all of the studies that you could create your own chart down below, or you could copy and paste this entire chart with all the studies. So I'll leave everything in the description down below. But as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.